Hi everyone, today we're going to do a review about this panel here, that switch control, but only the plastic, the bezel, and this is good for a Dodge Ram 1500, 2500 or 3500, and this is good for 202 to all the way 205. So let's go. So what I did a little bit of shopping on Amazon and I found this company here, Mox. I hope that's good. Let's open it. Yeah, sorry, that's the only knife I have. Okay, they're black. I can live with that. Same thing. They look like the same length, just to be sure. Good. Put here 65.8. Yeah, same thing. And this guy here, 63.5. Perfect, same thing, same length. Look very nice. Wow, perfect. The problem about those guys here, it's those, I don't know what to say that in English, like tip, or here you have some glue, so you know, so those pin here, when it's time to put it on, how to say that in English, when it's time to put it inside the door, those, let me show you, those thing here, they always broke. So after a while you have no choice to change the bezel. So let's do it now. First thing first, this is not a mechanic course. This is only time to do review. I already have my diploma in mechanic course, so now it's time to do the review. So what I did, I changed the panel. I take the switch, put it on the new one, I clean it, I do everything what I need to do, and this is the passenger side. So now we're going to do driver side. Let's go. This is what I did. I changed on the new one, I cleaned everything, I put it on the new one, it's fit perfectly. This is going to be the driver's side, and now the only thing we need to do is install both of them and to see if everything is okay.
Okay, this is the passenger side, fit perfectly. This is the driver's side, fit perfectly.
Hope you like this video about those bezel for the Dodge Ram. The link is going to be somewhere around there. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to thumbs up. This is really important for this channel. And see you in the next one.